It happens every day. Hit and run in your property's parking lot. The aftermath? A frustrated resident and an expensive repair bill. Damage without accountability? That's your property without behavior data. But what if you could prevent these incidents before they happen? With private, verified renter history, you get fewer mystery dents and more responsible residents. Join our pilot program today and receive 100% free platform access, portfolio-wide implementation, and early adopter advantages in our growing renter behavior network. Plus, eligible participants receive a 50% lifetime discount on future pricing models. Don't let another day pass without protection. Visit thedreamplaces.com.contact to book your demo today.